Anybody else? Is everybody else done? Are you ready to stand at attention? Are you ready to run at attention?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, get that look off your face. Close your mouth. What to say to you? Why are you looking at me? You should be boring a hole in the back of her head! Are you ready to get this started? Yes, ma'am! I heard a s. There's no s in ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Maybe at the end of the kiss, but whatever. Left, left.
Let him make up their own.
Not really good? A little sneeze tickle your nose? Get out of my line! Coming out of here if you're sick. Is anybody else sick? Anybody else want to sneeze? In my line?
Do the hands, the feet, and then the face, and then the hair.
I'm sorry? You're sorry? I'll read a book, ma'am? When did you want to read?
Oh.
You think it's funny? You think it's funny that she's illiterate?
Absolutely not, ma'am.
Absolutely not. When did you learn such remarks? You tell me you read too? You read too?
Mermaid.
Not until 3rd grade, ma'am.
Is that the big ball school? That's all you got? Not until the 3rd grade. I'm right. I don't know. We're running an extra mile. Left, left, left. Oh, what fuck was happening right now? Did your hair stand up? Did you sneeze in my line? Did you sneeze in my line, son? I have no question! Ma'am, I don't think so, ma'am.
I'll be right back.
When did I tell you you can think?
Never.
Get out of here! Sneeze in my line.
Absolutely not.
Actually, I'm still using some good words here.
I have no memory of sneezing, ma'am.
Memory. When did I say you could have a memory? All you know is how to do push-ups, how to do sit-ups, how to make your bed, how to brush your teeth, and how to run! That's it. You're going. Where do they find these recruits? Huh? Huh? Where do they find them? I don't know, ma'am. You ready to run? Yes, ma'am. You ready to run?
Yes, ma'am.
10 miles? Yes, 10 miles. We've up to 10 miles. What are you scratching your shoulder for? You got an itch?
Yes, ma'am.
Who told you you could feel? Soldiers aren't supposed to feel, ma'am! What? Soldiers aren't supposed to feel, ma'am! Thank you. Ma'am, yes, ma'am! Shape it up. Be more like her. Ma'am, yes, ma'am! 10 miles. 8-minute pace. You better keep up or you're scrubbing the berries with your toothbrush. And then I'm going to make you brush your teeth. Ma'am. Left! Yes, ma'am? I talked to you, so you should not be responding. Did I say anything to you? Ma'am, no, ma'am. Yes, I don't even want to look at your ugly butt anymore.
Oh.
Where did they find her? Man from outer space, man. All right.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
This is not the day, Spock! All this makeup and all that hair. Are you kidding me? You're gonna run. What is this? Why do you have that goofy grin in your face? You're gonna blink every day you try to let me. You don't understand me.
It's all right.
So when did I allow you to quit speaking in full sentences? Brendan still. What's so funny? You want to share with me? You want to share with me? Giggle and magoo. Face forward. Why are you blinking so much? Nothing to get it out? Do you need help getting it out? No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for offering help. Thank you. You're not supposed to say thank you to me! That's it. Your friend saying thank you, your friend saying thank you, just up to 7-minute pace. Are you crying? Are you crying in my line? She's crying in my line.
No, ma'am.
She's crying. I see the tear marks on your face. I see the water that you're wiping away. You're crying in my line! There's no crying in my line! I am working with a bunch of knuckleheads. Never get on this front. Left. Oh! Excuse my line.
No, ma'am.
I'm stuttering, Stanley. Excuse me.
No, ma'am.
You know what? You want to dress like you're the day.
Can I brush your teeth with my toothbrush, ma'am?
You got someone who likes to tell jokes. You got someone who thinks they're a comedian.
No, ma'am. I'm a runner.
Go to the day spa. Go. Go to the day spa, and then you let us know how it was. Just there. Oh my God. A bunch of weirdos. Did you know what you signed up for when you put your name on that line? You know. Why are you crying? Why are you crying in my line? 6 minutes. 6-minute pace. 10 miles, 6-minute pace. You ready? Yes, ma'am. You ready? Yes, ma'am. You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how you guys recruit me into this stuff.
Left. Left.
You did so funny.
The only water allowed in my line is the sweat on my forehead. Why are you crying?
I don't know, ma'am.
Why did you sneeze?
I didn't, ma'am.
Oh, you're full of I can't, I don't know, what happened, who did it? Nothing. You got nothing. You got no answers. You got nothing.
Nope.
You believe this soldier? No, ma'am. Skip me, ma'am. Are you going to stand at attention when you talk to me? Yes, ma'am. Shape it up, soldier. Shape it up. Thank you. Did I say you could say thank you to me? Good job! Good job! We're behind you! Yes, ma'am! You learned from her? Yeah, obviously nothing. So we're done too. We don't read. Shaking your head. And you do? Don't read, ma'am? And you read, ma'am? You read? I mean,
A minute ago, you just said I could read. No, ma'am.
You gotta know one who has jokes. You know you're at the back of the line for the reason, right? Because you can't keep up. So you need to shut your mouth and run a little bit faster. You just made everybody else to a 5.5-minute pace. 5.5 minutes. 5.5 minutes. Got it? Yes, ma'am. Really? You was the one that was sneezing in my line the entire time.
No, ma'am.
Why did you turn around? I don't believe you.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? You're sorry. Can you feel?
No, ma'am.
Can you feel? What's up? Ma'am. Get out of here, sneezing in my line. Act like you can feel. I've got 2 left. 2 really sort of like 26 recruits. Yes, ma'am. Get that dumb look off your face. Why do you look so scared, soldier? Oh, no. Nasty. Left. 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 Leaving my line. And no, you're the only one even here. There's no one else around you. Everyone else is gone. You're the only one. You know what? You're going to do 100 push-ups. Now. Now. I don't even count to 100. We're going to go 5 minutes because we're running out of time. 5 minutes pace.
Yes, ma'am.
10 miles. 5 minute pace?
Yes, ma'am.
You gotta keep up.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do this. Left, left. Are you the one that's been sneezing in my line?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you say so? I have a tissue.
Oh, thank you.
God bless you.